using a 12mm socket. I'm going to pull the, there we go. I don't think I need to take the whole thing all the way off. This should loosen right up. There we go. Come right on out. Okay. There's a rubber, that little black thing is a rubber seal. And then way down there is a distributor shaft. You can just see the top of it. That's what's got that little slot in it. That needs to be put in by your machinist. Have them do it. It has to be oriented perfectly. In this case, it's oriented, what's it oriented at? Let's see. See how it's oriented from, let's say, 2 o'clock to 8 o'clock? If it was 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock, you wouldn't be able to time your engine. Whenever I have the engine built, I just have the machinist put it in properly.